Hey, I'm Sam from RTP Customs, and the question is, can my wheel be repaired? On today's episode, we're going to talk about transforming factory OEM wheels into a custom finish, just adding a little bit of a twist. So as you know, a lot of people, when they buy a car, the first thing they do is they get rid of their factory OEMs and they purchase aftermarket wheels. In cases like this, you're overspending on wheels and tires and spacers and all the things that comes with it. But check this out. This is a factory OEM BMW wheel off a 3 Series. Originally it comes in with the regular charcoal and machine finish. And as you can see on the other side, this is the custom touch that we have done. We transformed a charcoal pocket into a darker finish. We did glossy black, which gives it a very nice contrast with the machining that we have done. So at that point, it basically makes the polished face pop out a little bit more. In this case, we have the capability of doing any type of finish you want. Again, we can color match to the actual vehicle, we can color match to the interior, we can color match to anything that you want, and we can add it to every single wheel that you need. So in cases like this, rather than replacing your wheels, think about transforming those factory OEMs. And all it takes is just 48 hours. That's all it takes us in order to transform a factory OEM wheel into a completely custom touch. Once you change the color, it's going to change the look of your car, it's going to change the look of the wheels, it's going to make your ride so much better, and at the same time you're saving that OEM ride. You're not having to worry about vibration or are these wheels meant for my vehicle, because you're actually customizing factory OEMs. So if you're actually thinking of changing the entire look of your car, consider customizing your factory OEM wheels. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, maybe possibly some color ideas or different custom options that we can do with your wheels, make sure you leave a comment below and send us some pictures. Be looking forward to talking to you.